moving toward the Wichita metro
Come here.
area. You're beyond the wedge
Yeah, I'm
right
shaking
now
at
as
the
far
camera
as
shaking.
how we're
I'm a little
tracking
scared, I ain't gonna lie.
Clearwater and Petersville and Wichita.
He said before you could see it was about a half a mile wide.
I see me.
I do not know how to do
Here,
this.
there. Alright. Put your hand through there. Alright. I see me. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Huh?
I'm ready. Ready. Ready for this. I got everything I need in here. Got some water. Got some chips.
Do I need to see your whole body?
So I was thinking, well, okay.
Just your face?
Too, but right now I'm here seeing her down here and kind of explaining. I know it was
Let's go ahead and flip back over to Viper. And Jay, you want to pick it up? All right, yeah, let's go over to Kate's
I think that's
Viper
about round up
3D
around where
and
Fall River and stuff
fix
is.
it up for you. That tornado still.
Yeah, that's exactly. It's what it's supposed to be. That's how it comes.
As this thunderstorm continues to approach, we're watching this here on Kate's Viper 3D. A very close call from Maxville. So you need to already be in your shelters, and this will race towards St. John. St. John, you need to be down in your shelters now. Got a confirmed tornado, and this is going to be moving near Maxville and then over towards St. John. We'll look at some of the velocity data. This is off the Wichita radar. And again, even in Maxville, we're seeing very strong indications of rotation. Lots of reports of tornado on the ground, and I'm still very convinced that there's still a tornado on the ground with this particular thunderstorm. I have no reason to think that it's starting to let up at any point. Now, I do want to take you back down into Harper County that's moving into Sumner County. Remember, I was talking about a thunderstorm